Welcome back, everyone. For the next drive, it's going to be fairly short. I do need to go back to the dermatologist clinic, which is not too far from my house. So I'm going to start self-driving, currently parked in my driveway. So there haven't been any software updates for the past week or so. Currently using full self-driving Supervised 14.2.2.2. Roads are in good condition. We haven't had snow for probably a week. We've had a little bit warmer temperatures, so some of it has melted. We shouldn't have any issues with traction. Let's see how the traffic is today. The car will inch up, get a better view. Nothing coming. We'll be turning right down at the traffic lights. Light is turning orange and red. Came to a complete stop and turned right as no one was coming. And we'll be turning left up here, so it's quickly moved into the left-hand lane, which is great. It's a dual turn lane. Ideally, it will take the left lane because we'll be turning left after this left. Nothing too tricky so far. Maybe once we get to the parking lot, we'll get some more interesting situations. We'll be heading down to the next traffic light and then turning left. This is a great use case because I did have to go to the dermatologist this morning, and I do have some pain on my arms where they treated, and so it's nice to be able to just sit here without having to use my arms for driving, but just stay attentive. And if I need to intervene, then that's no problem at all. Turning left here at these traffic lights. Once we're through the traffic lights, we'll be coming to a four-way stop quite quickly. And let's see how it does. There's usually a few cars trying to get through that intersection. It's going to be turning left here. I would go straight if it was me driving, but let's see how it gets us there. Did a great job waiting for those. Oh no, it went through and now is turning left. Okay, I see. I think the navigation is just a little bit off. It's going to get us there. Probably not the way that a human would go, but there's really nothing wrong with going this way. It'd say it's going to turn left here, but it shouldn't because it needs to go straight over. And I think it's going to go straight over and then turn left. So again, it just put the signal on too quickly. If there was other cars there, it would have confused them, thinking that we were turning left onto the road there rather than going into the parking lot and then turning left. So I think that could be improved for sure. Now we're just cruising around. Oh, that car decided to drive in our lane. No worries, Tesla handled it. We're just cruising around to find a parking lot. Normally I would park further away without other cars parking next to me. But of course the Tesla's going to find probably the closest parking space it can, the most convenient, which is exactly what this one is. This is the office right in front of us. So again, did a great job. Thanks for viewing. Stay tuned for the next one.